Hey everyone, welcome back. Today you're going to learn how to use the sweep tool so you can make objects just like this paperclip here. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's come on up here to New Design. All right, so the first thing you want to do is let's start a new sketch here on our XY plane. We're going to grab our line tool and we're going to draw a line up. I'm going to zoom in a bit. We're going to draw a line up about an inch or so. And we're now going to grab our arc tool and we're going to do a 3-point arc. So we always start an arc, we click it once, and then we click another time where we want the other side of our arc, our radius, and I'm going to type in 0.3 here. Whoop, let me try that again. So I'm going to click here, drag it over, I'm going to click there, and then I can use my mouse to adjust the arc radius here. So I'm going to now and you see that pops up, that's your tangent constraint. But I'm just going to kind of make it look like that, and then we're going to go ahead and add a tangent constraint. So I'm going to click here and here. Now it's tangent. And now let's make this horizontal with this point. Okay, I'm going to hit escape now to take it out of my horizontal constraints here. And I want to dimension this distance from here to here to be 0.3. All right, and now I'm going to come back to my line tool. I'm going to come on down here 1.5 inches and making sure that it's parallel as I draw it, right? Go ahead and hit enter. I'm going to move this guy over so it's out of the way. All right, and now we're going to do yet another arc. And we're going to make this one here 0.25, but I'm just going to it looks close to 0.25, so I'm going to click there. And this time, see how that tangent constraint pops up? I'm going to click there, come to my dimension tool, dimension it to be 0.25. All right, and now I'm going to draw another line for my paperclip. Keep basically continuing the paperclip curves, basically. All right, and so I'm going to make that distance 1.3 inches. And then I'm going to do yet another arc right here. Make it tangent, dimension this distance to be 0.2. And then I'm going to draw a line down. And I want it to be horizontal. I'm going to hit escape now, and I want it to be horizontal here with our origin. So I'm going to click here and click here, and there we go. Okay, and there's our paperclip. All right, so now let's go ahead and finish our sketch. And now we need a plane. We need a plane that's perpendicular to our initial plane, to our XY plane. So, and that would be our XZ plane. Okay, so let's go ahead and start a sketch on there. And I'm going to zoom back into our origin, and I'm going to draw a circle right where we started drawing. And I'm going to make that 0.03 inches diameter. I'm going to finish my sketch. So when you're done, you should have something that hopefully looks like this. Now we want to come up here to create and come on down to where it is, sweep, right here, sweep. All right, so now it's saying we want a single path, saying for us to select our profile. So this is our profile right here. Our path would be our first sketch here that we drew. Okay, and there we go. Go ahead and hit OK. And that does it for our paperclip and learning how to use the sweep tool. Let's go ahead now and assign a material here to it. So most paper clips, there's different types. There's plastic ones and there's plastic coated ones, but the metal ones are made of stainless steel. So we're going to come over here to metal, go way down here to stainless steel, drag it over to our part, hit close, come on over here to document settings, right click, properties, and if your company wants to mass produce these paper clips, they'll know, they have all the data they need to know basically how much it's going to cost them and all that based on material costs. All right, that'll do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time.